Friends, welcome to Leela Kids channel. In this video, we are going to see 10th Standard Science Unit 15 Part 2 PTA Government Question and Answers. Number 1 is 1 mark question. The part of human brain which acts as a relay center is, options are pons, thalamus, cerebrum and cerebellum. Answer is thalamus. Short answer question. Write the functions of cerebellum. Number 1, maintenance of posture and balance, coordinate voluntary muscle activity. Name the 3 types of neurons and find its location. 3 types of neuron. Unipolar neuron found in early embryos but not in adult. Bipolar neurons found in retina of eye and olfactory epithelium of nasal chamber. Multipolar neurons found in cerebral cortex of brain. Answer in detail. 4 mark question. Describe the type of neuron on the basis of their function. Sensory or afferent neurons which carry impulses from the sense organs to the central nervous system. Motor or afferent neurons which carry impulses from the central nervous system to effector organs such as the muscle fiber or the gland. Association neuron conduct impulses between sensory and motor neurons. Part 3 additional questions. 1 more question. Relevant changes in the activities of organisms to a particular stimuli are called reactions of response. Working together of various organs to various stimuli is called coordination, which is the basic unit of the nervous system. Neuron. What is the length of the longest cell of the body? The length of nerve cell is over 100 μm. Large granular body in the cytoplasm is called Nessels granules. Which part in the cytoplasm help in transmission of impulses to and from the cell body? Several neurofibrils. Which part conduct impulses towards the cyton? Dendrites. Which part of neuron carries impulses away from the cyton? Axon. Myelin sheath is surrounded and secreted by Schwann cell or neurolemma. How many nerve impulses each neuron can transmit per second? About 1000 impulses per second. Which type of nervous system is the center for information processing and control? The CNS. In bipolar neurons, the cyton gives rise to 2 nerve processes. Cyton with many dendrons and an axon is called multipolar neuron. Gray matter of the brain is due to the presence of non-myelinated fiber. All the information from the environment are detected by the receptors. Examples for effector organs are muscle or gland cell. What are the 2 parts of the forebrain? Cerebrum and diencephalon. Viral and bacterial infections in brain covering is called as meningitis. Salivation and vomiting is regulated by medulla oblongata. Please like, share and subscribe Leela Kids channel. How the brain gets nutrients? Cerebrospinal fluid supplies nutrients. Which neuron conveys the message to the spinal cord? Sensory neuron. Which neuron carry command from spinal cord? Motor neuron. Mention one example for motor nerve function. Rotation of eyeball. Constriction or gap of the myelin sheath is called nodes of Ranvier. Match the following. Column 1. And this is the answer. Cerebrum, intelligence. Hypothalamus, water balance, blood pressure. Cerebellum, maintenance of posture. Medulla, control heartbeat. Short answers. Why neurons do not have the ability to divide? Since centrioles are absent in neuron, they do not have the ability to divide. What is neurotransmitter? Neurotransmitters are the chemicals which allow the transmission of nerve impulse from the axon terminal of one neuron to the dendron of another neuron or to an effector organ. Example, acetylcholine. What is meningitis? It is an inflammation of the meninges. It can occur when fluid surrounding the meninges become infected. It may be due to viral or bacterial infection. Please like, share and subscribe Leela's channel. What is EEG? Write about its significance in the medical field. Electroencephalogram is EEG. It is an instrument which records the electrical impulses of brain. Significance: it can detect abnormalities in the brain waves. Help in diagnosis of seizures, epilepsy, brain tumors and head injuries. Write the functions of cerebrospinal fluid. It acts as shock absorbing fluid and protects the brain from damage when it is subjected to sudden jerk. It supplies nutrients to the brain. It collects and removes waste from the brain. It is also responsible for maintaining a constant pressure inside the cranium. Define reflex action. It is a rapid, automatic and involuntary action of the body in response to stimuli. Long answer question. What are the three components of the nervous system? How the structure of these components help in nerve conduction? There are three components in the nervous system. Neuron or nerve cell. Neuroglia. Nerve fiber. Please like, share and subscribe Leela's channel. Neuron. It is the structural and functional unit of the nervous system. It is the longest cell of the human body with a length of over 100 μm. These cells are highly specialized to detect, receive and transmit different kinds of stimuli. Information is conducted in the form of electrical impulses from one part of the body to another through dendrites and axon. Neuroglia or glial cells. They are non-existing and do not initiate or conduct nerve impulses. They provide support and protection for neurons. Nerve fiber. Long slender processes of neurons. A number of nerve fibers are bundled up together to form nerves. Please like, share and subscribe Leela's channel. இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருக்குன்னா லைக் பண்ணுங்கள், ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள், சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள். வீடியோவை எகெயின் அண்ட் எகெயின் போட்டு பார்த்தீங்க அப்படின்னா உங்களுக்கு ஆன்சர்ஸ் ஈஸியாக இருக்கும், ஃப்ளோ ஈஸியாக இருக்கும் எக்ஸாம் எழுதும்போது. அதனால் நல்லா எகெயின் அண்ட் எகெயின் போட்டு பாருங்கள், மனப்பாடம் ஆகிடும். What are the three types of nervous system? How these help in coordination of our body? Central nervous system, peripheral nervous system, autonomic nervous system. The nervous system allows the body to respond quickly to various stimuli. Central nervous system, it consists of brain and the spinal cord. These delicate vital structures are protected in bony cavities of the skull and vertebral column respectively. Brain is the controlling center of all the body activities. Spinal cord serves as a connecting structure between the brain and sensory or effector organs. It also controls reflex action. Peripheral nervous system. It is formed by the nerves arising from the brain and the spinal cord. There are 12 pairs of corneal nerves. Some of the corneal nerves are sensory. Example, optic nerve which innervates the eye. Some are motor nerves. Example, it helps in rotation of eyeball. It also innervates the eye muscles of iris and tear gland. Spinal nerves. There are 31 pairs in number. Each spinal nerve is formed of dorsal sensory root and the ventral motor root. The impulses in dorsal spinal root is towards the spinal cord and in ventral spinal root is away from the spinal cord. Autonomic nervous system. It is also called as visceral nervous system as it regulates the function of internal visceral organs of our body. Antagonistic components of this system are sympathetic or parasympathetic system. They enable the body to perform rapid and specific visceral activities in order to maintain steady state. It controls the involuntary functions of the visceral organs. Example, breathing. Please like, share and subscribe Leela Kids channel. All the best for your public examination. We can meet in the next video. The video again and again போட்டு பாருங்க. Get the benefits of seeing this video. Bye bye.